No, we're not going to make you cry. It's too beautiful for that. It's a poem by Butler Yeats. I don't think I've ever really gotten over it. I think it's the most beautiful thing I've ever read. I've never read it aloud before. It's called The Song of Wandering Aengus. You don't need to be Irish to get it, but perhaps it helps. You don't need to have caught a trout on a fly, but perhaps that helps. You don't need to have grown old to get it, or to have experienced something really beautiful, or experienced some loss, but all those things might help. But we'll give it a go. I went out to the hazel wood because a fire was in my head, and cut and peeled a hazel wand, and hooked a berry to a thread. And when white moths were on the wing and moth-like stars were flickering out, I dropped the berry in a stream and caught a little silver trout. When I had laid it on the floor, I went to blow the fire aflame. But something rustled on the floor, and someone called me by my name. It had become a glimmering girl with apple blossom in her hair, who called me by my name and ran and faded through the brightening air. Though I am old with wandering through hollow lands and hilly lands, I will find out where she has gone, and kiss her lips and take her hands, and walk among long dappled grass, and pluck till time and times are done the silver apples of the moon, the golden apples of the sun. Nothing to cry about there. I hope you're well.